Hello everyone, this video is very short and we will start this video because I am going out for the party today, and in this video I will quickly share you guys some filter sections that I use in Photon, and a lot of you guys asking me my strategy. So this is my strategy that I use mostly in Photon. Like for the in the meme scope you can see there is pump.fun selected, top 10 holders with at least one social, and the market cap is only set to 10,000. When you apply, you will it will appear like this, and open this coin, and this, look, you can see there is same coin. And let's check another coin. Oh, I don't know where he go. Yeah, so yes, so these are some coins that newly created like AI, and you will find more. And it is a lot coin, insider bot, so you should be aware of everything. So if you just open this on the Google Lens, let's see. Yeah, this is very old picture that they are using, so it's a Ponzi scheme. So let me show you the about to graduate filter. In the about to graduate filter, I use pump.fun, moonshot, meme life. Let's go to these snipers, age limit 240, and by sniper 15, and the market cap is set to 25,000. And let's see this, open this chart, and let's open this gigabrain and TRW, the real world. So yeah, they have their website also. Let me just open the Fugo chart also. So in this thing we can see the truth first coin, like how many they have. Okay, they started to dump. Yeah, they own like 70-80% of the supply. And yeah, let's see this coin. Giga is a good coin, I guess. Yeah, and when the liquidity is starting to reach, they will dump the coin. Let's see. Yeah, see they are trying to dumping the coin. And let me just check the sniper sold. Okay, now the coin is ready to pump again. LP burn and the top 10 holders. Yeah, the issue is same with the Giga. Let's open the TRW token and issue the top 10 holders. Yes, these are some scamming coin. You can see you can turn a short-term money, like if you invest in for example $100, you can turn into $120, $30, $40, $50 up more, and then you can cash out. It's for long term. See, now this happened to coin when you usually do some trading long term. So yeah, we have this. And for the graduated section, the pump.fun, moonshot, and meme alive filter, and then we head toward to the market cap, and we can see there is also about to graduated token. For example, if we just open the order, yeah, order 69k sitting on the, for example, if we manage to break in this section and manage to get this, we can get a triangular pattern, and then we can have a breakout, nice breakout. And now you see it's happening right now, but we need more confirmation, they are buying and the holders are 19%, and we can see the one issue is the top 10 holder. And yeah, it's quite a big issue right now. So this is it for the Photon. And if we just go to the new pair section, I can give you an overview of my new pair section. Let me just turn on by market cap. Oh my god. So you need to tweak this type of filter that you can tweak. And yeah, there are the newly created, like if we just click on the vibe, what happened is they show the exact match now happening. Yeah, this coin is looking good. Yeah, they are dumped. So you need to be very quick. Same coin, same coin, two coin but same, so they can rug your money, so be aware. And the like in the what I'm saying is, we can see, check the radium also. So just copy the setting, yeah, 20%, 0.08, 0.012, and this, yeah, slippage also. And yeah, so this is also the settings is same. So this is it for the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe my channel for more video, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. And Merry Christmas guys, and have a nice day.